Do you have trouble fitting all your food into your fridge? The LG new Slim French door refrigerator is designed to store more food. The Slim Space Plus ice system has been moved to the left door, allowing even more space inside. And yet, there's still storage space left on the door too. You can easily get water and 2 types of ice. The folding shelf gives you double the height to store your taller items. The swing door and freezer makes storage and organization easier. Experience the ultimate convenience for yourself. LG new Slim French door refrigerator.